Hi everybody, Stacey from Hingham Jewelers, just here with a few tips to help you stay busy while you're cooped up at home. Today we're going to talk about cleaning jewelry. So, lots of different ways you can do it. But if you're home, don't want to go out, pick anything up, the easiest thing you can do is take a little bit of Blue Dawn with water, get a little bowl, and then have a clean bowl to rinse. If you have an old toothbrush, that's really great for getting in the nooks and crannies and things. We're all using our hands a lot with hand sanitizer and soap, so things could get cooked up inside and they just look ugly. If you're going to use the Blue Dawn, really easy. You just want to take your ring, dip it in, give it a little brush. Not too long. Depending how dirty it is obviously how long you're going to do it for. You can let it soak in there, but you want to be careful what you put in. You don't want to put pearls or opals or emeralds or things like this. This is like basic gold and diamonds and things. You want to rinse it in a bowl because sometimes if you ever have any loose stones and you start playing around with it with the toothbrush, you want the stones to come out in there. So that's part one. Can you see the difference between the one I've just cleaned and the one that I haven't cleaned? See how this one sparkles? This one, not so much. If you're so fortunate that you have like some of our jewelry cleaner, so this has a little basket, you just put it in. Again, this comes with a little toothbrush, you give it a little brush. Now remember, no emeralds, no opals, no fragile stones, because those will dry out and you really don't want to leave your jewelry soaking overnight. It's not a good idea. So our all-time favorite is the jewelry cleaner. It's a foam. This is great because it really is designed only for jewelry. The Blue Dawn is great, but you have to be careful what you put in it, obviously. So this is biodegradable, there's no toxic chemicals. It's really a great product, and the foam makes it super easy to work with. So you put the foam on the piece like this. You don't need much, I just used a lot because it's a bracelet. And again, take your toothbrush, give it a go, like this. Again, you want to rinse it. And look, the diamonds are sparkly again. Now I'm going to dry it. Now if you're at home and you've received a bracelet, like a Lagos bracelet that's come with a polishing cloth, this is great too. This will help you get a lot of the tarnish off of some of your silver while you're sitting watching TV, nothing else to do. So you can get out your jewelry, clean it all up. Works really well with watches. You can take your watch. If you're gonna dip your watch in, you wanna make sure the crown's in, don't submerge it, you just wanna dip it in like this. Don't get the head of the watch wet, especially if it's not a water resistant watch. But so you can do this, you dry it, and then to give it a little extra oomph, you can take the polishing cloth and you'll see how it'll help the lengths of the watch just get shiny.